Okay, we are leaving. That's Serge's work phone, but we are leaving the hotel. We are all packed up. We are grabbing our last little goodies and we are heading to the beach.
Don't touch those, they're coffee.
Are you eating a Snow White ice cream?
Yeah.
It's thick. It's thick, huh? Is it good? Is it cold? No, it's not cold. You don't got sensitive teeth like that? Mm-hmm. What's mommy doing?
Peanut butter.
She's feeding brother, yeah. Mariana got a Snow White Junior cheeseburger. Nessa got a giant burger.
Remember, no dairy, and so
With no
I literally
cheese,
got.
it's just mayo.
I have my toppings right here. I got my
Side
lettuce and my barbecue sauce.
Bullseye barbecue, ketchup, chili burger, chili cheese.
It actually smells and looks so good.
And then
Make sure
Mariana
to
had
say no butter and no dairy, right?
Peanut. Cheese.
Mariana had a
Cheeseburger.
ice cream.
My
I
head.
had a cherry and chocolate
Yeah.
milkshake.
My head. Lettuce.
You doing the cheese?
And my head.
We're at the Sea Cliff State Beach. Don't mind my unsteady hand.
Not a big. Not a big.
We're at the beach.
Beach, 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 beach.
She's ready, huh? You ready for the beach?
Beach. Baby. Like
What are you doing? Are you on your knees? Hi. Hi. Look at you. Look at you. We're gonna go. We just got done eating. We're gonna go enjoy the sand. All right, let's go, mamas. I forgot my ring. I got a little wave. Isn't that freaking cute? I'm so excited. It looks really good with my rings. Okay, now I'm done. We are heading home. I wanted to show you guys what we got when we were at the ocean. Sergio was recording and it didn't capture it, and so I wanted to show you guys before we kept going. Mariana is getting car sick, and so we got her some Dramamine. She's having a snack and eating that, or already took that. I wanted to show my sweatshirt that I got. I am like obsessed. We got the clip of like me showing my pinky, but then the other one, it didn't go through. So we got a cute little California sticker. We got a poppy heart. And then I'm so excited to put this on the car. I think I might put it on the car. I'm not sure. Water bottle or car. But it says Santa Cruz with a little octopus. Yeah, I see you changing her little booty. And And then while I'm in the car on the drive, oh shoot, oh no, my receipt, crap. On the drive, oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, what I was saying is I have my memory card and my little adapter thing to my MacBook. I'm going to pull all of the photos that I took for my mom's wedding, and I'm gonna like pull it and figure out which ones I want. Right now, dude, I tried to straighten my hair. Why I straightened it in the humidity by the beach, thoughts apparently weren't going through my head, but I'm like a frizzball. I am going to pull all of those. I'm currently trying to grab photos so that I can post those on social media right now, going through like Sergio's phone and my phone. That's how I figured out that the clip from earlier didn't take. And so we are packing up. We're going. We are on the way home. I'm probably just gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm not sure what I'm putting together from like what section of the wedding and our trip. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fit in one video or multiple, so this is probably gonna be the last video. I hope you guys enjoyed all of our videos or this video. We will see you in the next.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold